Well, hey, something's missing. Yeah, things are happening with the truck. Let me fill you in.
Yeah, so if you can probably tell from this video, which sorry, this was texted for me from somebody else's phone, getting a whole lot of blow-by on the engine. Pretty good indication that it has got bad rings at the very least. So we ended up having to pull it and take a better look, and about what you would have expected, which is to say that the engine is old and tired and has had a really good life, but is now at the point that it's gotten pretty crunchy and it needs a rebuild. Um, Not a total bore out. The block is actually looking still pretty good, but it definitely does need lifters, everything like that. Just needs to be gone through. Got some ridges there, but nothing too bad. So yeah, this is a disappointment, but I guess the big surprise is we have confirmed, if you can believe it or not, um, this engine has never been rebuilt. You could even see the original spark plug in there that they're having trouble getting out. But yeah, so if you can believe it, this old flathead 239 made it 72 years without a rebuild. Totally original engine, and it will live again. Just going to take some time and dollars.
Here's where the truck is at. This is LG Auto Restorations here in Arcadia, Indiana. Pretty new place. They just been around since March, but doing some pretty cool work here. We're here in beautiful Arcadia, Indiana. Small town Indiana, the real thing. Not for everyone, but I love it.